Trust Wallet just added Apple Pay, and this update makes buying crypto faster, safer, and way easier. Today I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Welcome back, everyone. In my previous short, I shared the quick news about Trust Wallet enabling Apple Pay. But in this video, I'm giving you the full tutorial. How to buy crypto using Apple Pay inside Trust Wallet, what to expect, the fees, the safety tips, and everything beginners need to know. Before we begin, make sure you have an iPhone with Apple Pay already set up, a supported debit or credit card, the latest version of Trust Wallet, and a stable internet connection. Once you have these ready, you're good to go. This integration is a big deal because Apple Pay gives you faster checkout, encrypted payments, no need to type card numbers, Face ID or Touch ID protection, and a smoother experience for beginners. It removes a lot of friction for people entering crypto for the first time. Let's get into the steps. Open Trust Wallet, tap on Buy. Choose the crypto you want, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, etc. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Select Apple Pay as your payment method. Trust Wallet will automatically detect Apple Pay on your device. After selecting Apple Pay, you'll see a confirmation screen. Here's what happens next. Review the amount. Apple Pay shows the final price, including fees. Confirm using Face ID or Touch ID. Your card details stay private and encrypted. Your crypto is delivered directly to your Trust Wallet address. The whole process takes less than 30 seconds. Apple Pay inside Trust Wallet is available in more than 45 countries, depending on your card provider. Fees depend on your region, the provider Trust Wallet uses, the asset you're buying, and network conditions. Usually, Apple Pay is faster but may have slightly higher fees, but the convenience is worth it for many users. If Apple Pay doesn't show up, here's what to do. Update Trust Wallet. Make sure your card supports online crypto purchases, try a different card, restart your phone, check your region settings, and make sure you're using the official Trust Wallet app. Most issues are solved by updating the app or switching cards. To stay safe while buying crypto, never share your seed phrase. Don't screenshot your seed phrase. Enable Face ID inside Trust Wallet. Avoid buying crypto on public Wi-Fi. Double-check the asset before confirming, and only download Trust Wallet from official sources. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe. I post simple, fast crypto guides and updates every week. Drop a comment if you want me to cover more Trust Wallet features or Apple Pay tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.